Hey guys, it was so fun to see so many of you in at school today, picking up your books. Just so you know, we will be starting instruction for those new books on Monday. You don't need to worry about them before then. So this week, just be worried. Well, don't be worried about it, but be working on finishing up your synthesis summary for Esperanza Rising. And history, we have a test on Friday. I saw a lot of you guys in my office hours doing a Kahoot live. If you want to today, Thursday, join in on that as well. We'll just be reviewing some more, and then Friday you can take your test. And other announcements, I can't think of any. So awesome. I'm sitting outside in this glorious sunshine. I hope you all are getting outside to enjoy it. I'm going to read today from, where am I? That's not where I was going, guys. Hold on. I'm at the wrong place. Okay. Alright. So, Colossians chapter 2, verses 6 through 15. I'm going to kind of skip around a bit, but it's about being alive in Christ. So, it says here, therefore, as you have received Jesus Christ your Lord, so walk with him, rooted and built up in him, established in the faith, just as you were taught, abounding in thanksgiving. And what else? And jump down a bit, and it says, and you were dead in your trespasses, and God made you together with him, having forgiven all of us our trespasses. And basically, it just goes on, and it's talking about how we, after accepting God, we've been made alive with him. And just in that relationship, we get to have life. And it's something to be so thankful for. I know, this whole quarantine, being away from friends and family, it can feel very isolating. But it's really a time where we get to just spend time with God and kind of develop that relationship, which brings so much life. And as I am sitting out here enjoying this beautiful sunshine, listening to the birds, there's so much life out here, and I'm just praying for you guys that you are just experiencing his joy and his life in this time, and that as we are just going through our day-to-day life, just being thankful for what God has given us, and praying for those who are really in need. So that's it for today. I miss you guys, and I hope you are doing well. Bye-bye.